guys have this.
What's that? What do you have there?
It's cursed.
Let me see. Turn it around. Turn it around. Let me see. Turn it around. Turn it. Oh, what do we got here? We got a Acura NSX. Daddy likes those cars. Fast cars. What do you got now?
Pippin.
It's not you. Let me see. I see Batman.
Hi guys.
Hold on. Bye guys. You got the Batmobile. Batman.
Open them.
You gonna open them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell Timmy open one.
I'm gonna open them.
Let brother open up the other one. Let RJ.
See.
No.
Okay, we'll open it then.
Open it. Rip it.
There you go. Perfect.
There you go. Want me to open up the other one?
Okay.
What do you got there? You see? You see cars. Ooh, nice cars. You see? Ooh, Batmobile.
Oh, guys. Being cursed.
Put that right here.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Let me see cars. Ooh, let's look at them here. Ready?
Oh.
Sit.
Thanks for watching.
Put them down. Let's see. It's the Batmobile. And what we got here? We got here. Nice cars. These fast cars.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi, Jesse. Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm this. Everybody.
You want to get your Angry Birds later?
Yeah.
Give me a little bit, okay? Want to go play with your cars?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
Who got them?
This is the
What color is that? Apple. Oh, it's blue. That's great.
Bye guys.
Let me see, bye.